Okay, stars. Bree, your black ass is in the way. I can't see the sergeant. Bree. Oh, sorry, you can turn the boxes in his way. Look at him chasing her. Then he's going to start barking at her. God, Bree. He's like, he's chasing her. Oh. Bree, you're so black. I can't. You keep on covering him up. And you're beating your ass, boom. Oh. He's a tough little cookie. Oh. I can't see him because boom. He's snorting. They've been doing this for a long time. Playing for the past 15 minutes. That'll make you strong. He is improved so much. Bree's letting him. Oh, you're such a good girl, Bree. Helping the little poopy puppy. God, she's up here by Carissa. Poop down there. He's not gonna jump up there. Bree's in the, or Chris is in the way. He's not.
Yeah, but she's that piercing glasses. Like.
Oh, he's trying to get up here.
Hi, baby.
Now Bree can go down there. Oh, they're so cute. Bree, you're a freaking maniac. Oh! She's so Where's Fergie? Watch your... Oh, he's getting off the footstreet. Oh. Oh, he's whimpering. He's like, Bree runs away and he's like, ooh, ooh. Bree, not so loud. I can't. No, he's gonna give up on you if you don't. Oh.
Hey, Mom. Just one type of hug.
So look who's got her collar. Oh my God. He takes her collar like, what's that? Oh, that's so funny. Oh, Sardy. Over here. There you are.